What if I told you that improving your life doesn't require massive action? Just a tiny 1% improvement every day can completely transform your future. This is the powerful truth behind Atomic Habits by James Clear, and today I will break it down into simple, actionable steps you can start using right now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Atomic Habits, one of the most practical and life-changing books ever written about behavior change. Whether you're a student, creator, employee, digital marketer, or someone trying to build better habits, this video will give you a clear roadmap to make small changes that create big results. Let's get into it. The main idea of Atomic Habits is simple but extremely powerful. Real change doesn't come from motivation or big decisions. Real change comes from small, consistent habits, the things you do every day without thinking. James Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This means your goals don't determine your success, your habits do. Atomic Habits equals small actions. Atomic equals tiny. Habits equals routines that repeat. When tiny improvements compound over weeks, months, and years, the results become extraordinary. Just like money grows with compound interest, your habits compound into your life results. Imagine you improve by 1% every day. By the end of the year, you will be 37 times better. But if you get 1% worse every day, you decline rapidly. This is called the power of compound growth. Your small habits, reading 5 minutes, walking 10 minutes, writing 1 sentence, seem small today, but they build the identity of a disciplined, productive, healthy person. Examples: read 1 page gives becomes finishing 10 books a year. Save 20 baht daily gives becomes thousands saved. Write 5 lines gives becomes a full script or book. Practice English 5 minutes gives becomes fluency. The lesson: small choices matter more than big decisions. Your life today is the sum of your habits. Your future will be the sum of the habits you choose now. This is the part that changes everything. Most people try to change their life by focusing on goals. I want to lose weight. I want to read more. I want to save money. James Clear says this is the wrong approach. Instead of focusing on what you want, focus on who you are becoming. Identity shapes your habits more than motivation. Examples: instead of I want to read more, say I am a reader. Instead of I want to exercise, say I am the type of person who moves every day. Instead of I want to improve my English, say I am an English user. Why does this work? Because your identity controls your actions. Your actions reinforce your identity. This creates a powerful cycle. Every small action you take becomes a vote for the type of person you want to become. Do the habit long enough gives you become the identity. Key takeaway: the 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear gives a full system for building good habits and breaking bad ones. Law 1. Make it obvious. Your environment should trigger your habits automatically. Examples: put your book on your pillow every night. Keep your water bottle on your desk. Put your running shoes near the door. Remove snacks from visible places. Your environment is stronger than your motivation. Law 2. Make it attractive. We repeat actions that feel rewarding. Use temptation bundling. Pair something you want with something you need. Examples: listen to your favorite music only when you exercise. Drink your favorite coffee after completing 20 minutes of work. Watch YouTube after reading 1 chapter. Your brain begins to enjoy the habit. Law 3. Make it easy. Stop overthinking. Make the habit simple. Use the 2-minute rule. Every habit should start in under 2 minutes. Read 1 page. Meditate 1 minute. Write 1 sentence. Stretch 1 minute. Clean 1 corner. You trick your brain into starting, and once you start, momentum carries you forward. Law 4. Make it satisfying. We repeat habits that feel rewarding. Use a habit tracker, checklist, calendar, Notion, Google Sheet. The satisfaction of checking off a day motivates you to continue. James Clear says, "Don't break the chain. If you miss one day, come back the next day. Never miss twice." To stop a bad habit, invert the 4 laws. Make it invisible gives remove triggers. Make it unattractive gives remind yourself why it harms you. Make it difficult gives add friction, delete apps, block websites. Make it unsatisfying gives accountability partner. Example, want to stop scrolling at night. Charge your phone in another room. Use an app blocker after 10 p.m. Replace scrolling with a book next to your bed. Tiny barriers can destroy bad habits. Here are practical, work-related atomic habits applications. Content creation habit: write script for 2 minutes every morning. Batch 10 short clips on weekend. Keep your editing app on your home screen. Social media manager habits: track analytics every day at same time. Reply to comments for 5 minutes. Save content ideas in a Google Keep folder. For study, professional life, read 5 pages daily. Review notes for 3 minutes. Email inbox cleanup every night. For productivity and focus, prepare tomorrow's 3 tasks every night. Keep workstation clean. Use Pomodoro, 25 minutes work plus 5 minutes rest. Atomic habits equals small improvements gives huge professional growth. Atomic habits teaches us that small habits create massive results. Identity is more powerful than goals. Systems shape your success. Your environment shapes your behavior. You can build or break any habit using the 4 laws. Your life changes when your habits change. If you want more powerful book summaries like this, make sure to follow and subscribe for the next one.